Are we ready? Off-roaded. Well guys, this is the first time I've ever seen a drag slash in the wild, especially off-road. Did not see my foot. Oh, you can smell it. He just sends it. He didn't even slow down once. Oh my god.
I was aiming for the mailbox.
I thought you were.
I was. It's green.
Yeah.
We're supposed to hit green stuff against the mailbox, I thought.
You got E-Revo, then Gravedigger. So I guess its demise is just that. Wow. Yeah, the tire is crazy.
No, I'm talking about this right here.
Oh, how dirty it is?
Well, it just sucked up the dirt.
Off-roading in my drag slash.
Off-roading in a drag car, bro.
Full throttle?
Full throttle.
Nice. How are those supposed to go straight, Mark?
So this one has shocks on it.
Oh.
The shocks, I think, are blown.
About to say, this thing pulls so hard.
Maybe if you start it right here, it'll go that way.
Yeah. Not the rose bushes.
Oh. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Let me get a run on her, Byron.
Hold on.
Oh.
I broke the wheelie bar.
What do you say? Hold on, I'm scared. Oh, you don't need that middle piece. It'll still bar.
Yeah.
Can you get out of that? Yeah, you can. Look, drag cars.
Oh, it went straight that time, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Oh!
No, the body.
Oh, yeah.
Not the body. Oh.
Oh.
Good.
Just blew a tire.
Did you?
Nah, we good.
Dude, now it's wheeling perfectly.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. The back.
I'll let you have it now.
Okay, thank you, Barb. Okay, guys, it's my first time ever playing with a drag slash or something that just goes straight. So
Oh, this does not go straight.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yeah. I think I didn't follow that, but I think you just killed that rose bush. Oh, no. It's a slash. Yeah, those shocks suck.
Oh, God.
That was a violent crash.
You don't even have TSM on.
Oh, that's... Just take her out while you're at it.
This thing's angry, though.
The drag slash is actually a fun truck.
Yeah, okay. I like this.
That wheelie bar is ruined. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you just sent it through the holes. Like those are single individually drilled holes. You just sent that right through it. Now it's gonna do a wheelie.
Are we ready?
Are we ready for some football?
It's moving, dude.
They don't parachute as bad as anything else because the body ears are heavy.
My evil thoughts.
Oh, that's a good idea. I like your intrusive thoughts. was just like, nope, not today, Satan.
Are those ants?
Don't go through the ants. I gotta put it back in my car.
Should we let Cass drive something this fast?
No, I want to see.
Why is it not working?
I want to see something real quick.
What mailbox are you hitting? Just so I know it. What'd you think?
Well, that thing's a fly, and I'm surprised there's not smoke coming out of it from how fast it's going.
I know, right?
Perfect.
Oh, that body. One battery down, another battery to go. Oh no! That thing literally took flight. Whee!
It's made to jump. It's a slash.
And it's durable, because it is a slash. It's a slash, nothing's broke.
Yeah, no, something's broke.
Why? Oh, just a wheelie bar. The
Wheelie bar is
so
all
crooked.
and everything.
And the body. Oh, that one, it took flight right there. Jeez. Oh, something came out. What is that? Oh, it's the wing. Oh, oh no, not the culvert. Dude, look, you're rubbing on the battery.
What?
Let's rub it on the...
Oh, why is it rubbing on the battery?
How crooked the wheelie bar is. Oh, God. Did it stop?
It's so good. We're good. We're good,
Does
boys.
it still drive?
Oh, no.
Oh, my gosh.
It just not blood.
Well, don't worry. You can still drive it.
Yeah, come here. We're good. Oh.
Does it not?
It's just blinking red.
It's just blinking red. Oh, my God. I'm dying. Oh, that was so close. Did it get you?
I just wanted it for dramatic effect so I could sue Byron.
Yeah, you can.
I need you to hold that. Okay, the battery just flew out.
I'm dragging a battery. You're dragging a 3S by.
Oh, I actually broke the whole chassis too.
I bet you did.
It's not even just the bottom piece, it's the whole chassis.
Well, let Cass play with it.
So this button right here, you hold that and then floor it and then let off the red button. Oh, you're gonna go one way or the other. I don't know which way you're gonna go. Here you go, Cass.
You got it, babe. You're dragging a battery. You're dragging a battery. Did it break the mount where the battery?
All right. We're gonna test the
No.
What'd you do, Cass?
How'd you break our toy? Don't worry, Bart. I'll get your 3S. It's probably hanging on by a servo wire.
Oh no, servo wire is probably. Oh, servo just popped out.
This was a good truck, bro.
Perfectly good truck. And I didn't even hit that well off that hard.
Dude,
It's not even cold out. Y'all are wearing hoodies.
bro, you smacked that mailbox. This looks so pitiful, man. Oh my
Look at my
god.
battery.
Oh, the battery took some damage
It took
too.
a little bit of damage.
Well, guys,
Well, I'll just tell Traxxas that this is how it came, so we're doing it battery.
Traxxas sucks. Look at this. How did it just separate? Oh, dude, this is awesome. That's a flesh wound. It could be
It's actual
fixed.
chassis though.
Well, good job. Oh my gosh. Nice. That was a servo.
What are we gonna do, Brett?
I don't know. We're going bankrupt off of this one.
Well, this is a
Keep your
good parts truck now.
Yeah, keep your PIDs.
Good system.
Good transmission.
Good transmission.
Good tires.
I wanted to blow the tires out.
What is making a noise?
I think the motor.
Or is it the TSM? Is TSM thing? Because the servo's not there. Well, motor's scolding, dude.
Okay, that might be a problem.
It's scolding. Man, totally destroyed that car. That's here or here. But it's probably like $12.
No, that's $30.
30 bucks.
Yeah,
Wow.
Because you got to buy a new chassis.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you just...
Hold on.
The servo's like $9. I can't believe you just wasted $30, Byron. How could you do this? How could you do this, Byron?
Can't forget about this.
Oh, the wheelie bar.
How tragic. Oh, we bent that shock.
No, the shock is fine, dude. He's just having a bad day. All right. Well, any last remarks for this car, Barn?
Hey, you want to do that to this new Snap-on thing that we just got?
Oh, yeah, guys, you should check out this new Snap-on car.
What's up, guys? Today, we're going to be bringing you the brand new giveaway car, our Snap-on van. Not Snap-off, but Snap-on Vortex Traxxas van that we're giving away right now on lifeofballin.com. You can enter to win this by going to lifeofballin.com and purchasing anything off of the website. For every $5 equals 10 entries, so you can get you something like these shirts. We're also introducing brand new products like the Life of Ballin hex holder here. This has been one of the best things I've used every single time that I work on my cars, and I hope you enjoy it as much. So every time you purchase one of these, you get automatically entered to win this Snap-on van that you are going to love. And this is a collector's item, so you can do whatever you want with it. Keep it on the shelf. Go slam it into a curb. Melt it down with a lipo fire. We don't care. We just want to be able to give this beautiful rig to you. Go to lifeofballin.com today and enjoy.
All right, time for the other one.
Oh no, round 2.